So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your keyboard and then plug it back in again. See if that works. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. And now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your keyboard installed. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in on-screen keyboard. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on caps. Then you want to click on it again. See if that works. For the next method, if you have a keycap pillar, then you want to take out the caps lock key on your keyboard and you want to clear out all of the dust around the caps lock key. Then you want to put your key back on. See if that works for you. For the next method, just try pressing on the caps lock key a few times on your keyboard. Just keep on pressing on it. See if that works. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on accessibility. And now you want to scroll down until you find keyboard. You want to click on that. Make sure that you have sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys all turned off. And now for the last method, you just want to do a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem. If not, then your caps lock key is probably broken.